Hello everyone. Have you ever thought of how one can transform fitness activity into a fun task? If not, no worries. I am Deepshikha along with my group mates Nithin, Neha, Pranoti and Mithun are here to tell you how you can transform that task into a fun task with our system analysis and project management project topic FitU. FitU is an application option. So in the span of next 10 minutes, you will come to know about what FitU is, how it works, and what are other features of FitU.
Let me start by saying that fitness fever is a common phenomenon nowadays. I'm not going to talk about all the reasons people want to stay fit, but I am going to talk about how to increase the user base of fitness applications with minimal expenditure. That is the goal of our system. Given that fitness applications are partly becoming social communities, the relevant question that needs to be answered is, what is the biggest attraction of a social media platform? One among the many answers to that question is the number of people using it. As more people use a particular platform, yet more people would want to be a part of it. It's more or less a form of peer pressure. Here are some facts and figures. ABA research estimates that the total number of wearable devices with fitness and wellness applications will grow from 16.2 million in 2011 to 93 million in 2017. That is a growth of 475%. 71% of Americans say that fitness bands have improved their health. Talking about the popularity of fitness apps, the Apple Store now has more than 17,000 fitness-related apps, and it is the third fastest growing app category for iPhone and Android users. Between 2010 and 2018, the number of fitness app downloads has been projected to increase from 154 million to 908 million. And the number of people using wearable wireless gadgets has been projected to grow from 8 million to 72 million.
Now let's look into the shortcomings of the existing systems. Currently, the existing systems have the option of challenging an individual friend. It doesn't have the ability to challenge a group of friends as well as any other random person using the fitness band application. Secondly, there are more than 20 different fitness band applications in the market, but there is no common platform for users of these different applications to interact with one another. For an instance, a user with Nike sports watch is not able to challenge a user equipped with Xiaomi Mi Band. Lastly, some of the current systems lack the functionality of sharing the workout stats on social media such as Facebook, Twitter, or WhatsApp. In order to overcome these shortcomings, we propose our system FitU. Firstly, FitU improvises and enhances the user experience for workout challenges with friends and multiple users. So, by providing a user-friendly gaming platform, FitU entices friendly competition in order to motivate users to work out. Secondly, it helps imbibe the Facebook friend list for the user to choose among his friends for the purpose of competition or challenge. Also, to create a gripping and captivating user experience, FitU allows the ability for end users to share the results of their challenge on Facebook and other social media. This is one of the most exciting features that FitU introduces, as the ability to post user stories on their friends or opponents' Facebook wall by adding a supplementary dimension to the game's competitive nature. Lastly, FitU is designing a solitary platform for users and varied fitness band applications. This platform would share our workout data and set up an intuitive goal by challenging a friend, a group of friends, or a random person using different fitness band applications. Not only this makes our exercise goals more instinctive, but also brings more fun when competing with people across the globe.
Coming to the use case diagram, we have two actors, the user and Facebook, which interact with the FitU system. Furthermore, the user has two specialized actors, the challenger and the opponent. The different use cases included in the system are challenge, which extends challenge group, challenge oneself, challenge friend, challenge random. Also included are view stats and the general notifications. Going forward, we recognize 4 different sequence diagrams for the FitU system in accordance to the type of challenge the user chooses. The end user can make use of the challenge oneself functionality for achieving self-monitored fitness regime. The user has the ability to set goals and specify the parameters he or she desires to achieve. The application will then retrieve all the monitor data required for the specified fitness goal. Everyday progress on the targeted workout will be provided to the end user so as to keep track of his or her completion status. At the end of the time limit setup, the summary of all the target details will be displayed to the user. The end user now has the option of sharing his fitness report on social media like Facebook. Another added feature to the application is the ability of the end user to conduct a challenge with a random person. The FitU application helps in retrieving a random ID from its database of users using the FitU application. The random person or opponent is then notified about the challenge and the participants can begin the challenge. The utility of the common platform application will come to use when an end user wishes to challenge a friend from the friend list on Facebook. On entering this functionality, the user or the challenger will be provided with the option of either choosing an individual friend for the competition purpose or a group of people from his social circle. On choosing a desired set of people for workout, the target people or the opponent as we call is notified about the same and the challenge process takes place.
A class diagram has 3 main classes and 4 subclasses. User class has attributes and methods to hold and process user-related information like user ID, their Facebook friend list, challenge points earned, their current ranking, medals, etc. The challenge class has attributes and methods to process challenge-related information like its start date and time, challenge duration, challenge status, etc. The 2 classes have an intermediate class called user challenge grouping that maps the users to challenges they are participating in or have participated, along with the individual status of the users in those challenges. The challenge class also has subclasses like challenge oneself, challenge Facebook friends, challenge a random opponent, or challenge group. The challenge group class has methods that will let users to create a challenge group, join a challenge group, or leave challenge group. Each of these classes are specific to the challenge options available to the users on their interface. FitU will be accessed from the existing interface of fitness applications. Fitbit and other fitness applications installed on handheld devices synchronize with the wristbands to collect data. The user can then send requests to FitU to start or join challenges. The challenge module within the application will allow users to challenge themselves or challenge existing friend from Facebook or challenge an unknown opponent registered with our application using challenge random option. The challenge option will also have options to create an open group challenge or join an existing group challenge. When a user clicks on challenge friend, the application will send requests to FitU, which will then retrieve list of friends the user has on Facebook and return the list to user. The user can then challenge any of their Facebook friends. Similarly, challenge random will return a randomly assigned active opponent for the challenge.
Alright, we have seen so many advantages of FitU application. It is a time to take a look at future scope. We can say that an additional information regarding food joints and restaurant is going to be an add-on on this application. So an option for that is must. Along with that, we have always heard that precaution is better than cure. So we can use that phrase as an option. We can set an option where one can track a body temperature, heartbeat and features like that to protect oneself from chronic conditions. And at last, what else can be better if we get an option where we can keep all our social media application away from us? So yes, furthermore analysis on this topic or on this features will always enhance this application and will provide us a chance to keep ourselves happy and fit in a fun way. Thank you so much.